This is Morning Edition, and it's Thursday, which is Can Do Thursday. Now, what is Can Do? It's our weekly rundown of events and happenings where we try to help you get out, go out, experience new things out, and the guy who's here to help us out with that is Kata Plus. How are you this morning?
Hey, that's my name. What's going on, Chuck? I'm doing well.
And spring is finally here. Have you gotten out? Have you done any yard work? Are you experiencing the great outdoors the way you should?
Yeah, and I haven't seen it yet, but the pollen is in my nose because I'm getting headaches.
Just walking to the car. Like, I got in the car and my eyes were completely watering up and my throat was scratchy.
Yeah, you always forget about it. And I was talking to my wife like, hey, you got a headache too? A migraine? Oh, man, yeah. Oh, yeah, it's spring, the pollen.
It's not just marriage.
Right, exactly.
Now, before I get you and me in trouble, Kata Plus from the Contemporary Arts Network has a great list this week. We've got everything. We've got fairy tales. We've got dogs. We've got cats. We've got community engagement events. And we're going to kick it off with some acrobatics.
Let's flip into the list. We got the Peking Acrobats this Thursday, March 27th, which is today at 8 p.m. at the Sandler Center for the Performing Arts over in Virginia Beach. Experience time-honored Chinese traditions through breathtaking stunts and acrobatic performances. They're going to be performed by the world-famous Peking Acrobats.
And this is a great show if you've never seen it.
I have not seen the show.
It is mind-blowing, and then you sit back and you're like, I can't even walk through my own kitchen in the dark without almost losing a toe. But it's a wonderful reminder to stay flexible.
I don't need any more reminders to get in the gym, Chuck. I got it. All right, so we're going to go with number 2, Tales for Tales.
And this is an animal event happening today, right?
Today, again, 2 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. over at Norfolk Animal Care and Adoption Center in Norfolk, like I said.
Cool.
Children age 5 and up can help socialize shelter animals by reading to them in this heartwarming literacy meets compassion program.
This is fantastic, and this is something that's made for just good all the way around. You get to spend some time with a shelter animal that could really use some love, and your kids get to read them a story, and
Yeah, that'd be amazing.
And you can take video, so awesome job.
It is.
And next we have another feel-good event, and this one takes us up to the peninsula, right?
That's right. This is the Great American Cleanup. Walk Hampton Clean. Saturday, March 29th, various locations throughout Hampton.
How cool is that?
Says here you can join thousands of volunteers across Hampton to remove litter, plant greenery, and make this city shine during the region's largest community cleanup.
I love this. We've been talking a lot about civics lately, and there's this perception that, getting involved in civics means getting involved in local government. Of course, that's important too, but getting involved can be something as simple as, being a part of a community cleanup day like this one,
Right. Myself, I prefer to call, Batman with the bat symbol, but this works too.
Yeah, we'll pass that along to the people of Gotham.
He'll clean it up in a heartbeat.
Probably so. All right, so next event, where are we headed off? Back south side?
All right, we're off to Virginia Beach. This is Once Upon a Town Center. This is Saturday, March 29th at 11 a.m. at Fountain Plaza Town Center, Virginia Beach. Enjoy a day of fairy tale magic featuring live performances, costumed characters, themed crafts, and interactive fun for the whole family.
All right, now a little bit of a switch back. We're headed back up across and over the water for the next event.
This one is in Newport News. Young Pros Big Impact Special Olympics fundraiser. This is Wednesday, April 2nd, 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. and it's going to be at the Coastal Fermatory over in Newport News. Support a great cause with food, drinks, and networking opportunities at this collaborative fundraiser benefiting Special Olympics Virginia.
And just another great thing to do to get out and support our local community and our local Special Olympians. So thank you very much for that. Hey, by the way, we do need your can-do events, so be sure you get them into us. Kata Plus, how do people get those events to us so we can talk about them?
Shoot us an email at cando@whro.org. And please give us a couple weeks of advance notice so it's a little bit easier for us to get to you, research the event, and things like that.
All right, so till next week, Kata Plus from the Contemporary Arts Network in Newport News. Thank you so much for stopping by.
Later, guys.
And be sure to find the Can Do podcast wherever you get those. This is WHRV's Morning Edition.